Okay, obviously today was a half day, right? So not a lot to look at, but we did. Let's remove this real quick. So yesterday during the charting session, we marked out this low right here as a potential draw that we really liked, and we got it. So we ended up smacking this low. We popped up right here, right? So basically, we opened, pumped, barely tapped into this 1 hour SIBI that we have marked out, rejected super hard, and went after this low. Um, so you can see why this was a good gap to mark out. It's a really strong BPR with this gap to the left, and basically this gap was put in and used to propel price lower to sweep this low. So when we come up and retest this gap, you really want to watch how we react to that. And seeing this reaction is not the most bullish thing I've ever seen, but it's possible that we just wanted to sweep. Okay, so let me change that. This is not the most bullish thing I've ever seen. However, the way that we souped this low down here is really bullish, in my opinion. Like, we just, in fact, do we have an SMT here? I'm sure we do. Oh, yeah. So, big SMT here. So, instead of marking this low out right now, I'm going to mark this as a really nice SMT. Man, that is such a bullish reaction to sweeping that low. I can't lie. Like, that was the turtle soupiest of all turtle soups. Like, we barely ticked this low and literally got the most immediate reaction of all time. Like, look at this. Oh, wait a minute, Chad. There's the trade right there. Oh. Oh. Okay, sorry. But that, dude, come on. So, yeah, super bullish reaction to souping this low, and see how we didn't really like dig down much further, right? So we're still in the Powell pump gap. We did not dig down very far past this low, and then ripped super hard, right? Like immediately after just barely ticking this low, we pumped about 100 points. And that's on like a holiday in the during London. So super bullish reaction. And then basically at market open, it looks like we just kind of just dumped all this chop and then pumped and then chopped. Does that sound about right? I literally didn't watch. Seems like we had like one move and then chopped the rest of the day. Or either that or my candles are not. Oh yeah, 30-point range. Yeah. So we literally just dumped, swept out this low. Did we even tap into anything? Oh yeah, so we dumped, swept out these lows, and tapped into this 3-minute. Pumped and left equal highs right here. So I'm not gonna lie, I entered in a P15 paper trade. P15. We got these equal highs here. Okay. We'll see. So yeah, basically the only thing that I want to change now is instead of having this low marked as a draw, we have an SMT here. Leaving this 1 hour marked, we got this high that we put in right inside this FEG, so I really like that as a target. My bias is still really bullish. I know we're kind of still in the same area, but I mean, I'm still bullish. Unless we close below the Powell pump gap, I'm bullish. Plus, we got this data high above still. So we'll see what happens if we can close above this gap or not. Obviously, if we do, you'd think we'd be bullish to here, and then probably higher. But we'll see. This right here is not the most bullish reaction, right? So I'm mixed. I feel like I would actually. I'm bullish, but I feel like I'd be open to take shorts too, if that makes sense. Probably not now because we just swept this low, but it kind of looks like we're still wanting to like put in some targets for later. We got this wick inside this gap, so that's a good target. Maybe what we do tonight is something like this, and then maybe we can catch a move up into here and then a reversal down. But ideally, I mean, I'm willing to long or short right now, to be honest. I'm bullish, but I'll take both. Because we do have an SMT at all-time highs. So ES is at all-time highs, and NQ is definitely not. So we got SMTs all over the place right now. But we're kind of just bouncing in between this little 1 hour and the Powell pump gap. So, and now we're in here. So we'll see if we can close above that 1 hour or not. Yeah. I'm curious to see if we take this data high this week or not. I've seen that before with a random holiday taking out a major POI, so it's cleared for the next big objectives. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Like, last night we just started dumping. And I was like, all right, well, looks like we're prepping for this week early because we have so much red folder this week. So we got all these highs up here, all this man. There's so much LRLR to the upside, it's insane. Like all of this. This. Whew. I'm trying to find a reason to be bearish. Wow. Dude, what a difference. So, yeah, we got SMTs up here like a MFer. Yeah, this gap's going to be my condition for now. This has really got my main interest is if we hold this or not. Because if we get this crazy bullish SMT right in the Powell pump gap and like if we end up just ripping through this, then I'm definitely going to be crazy bullish. So let me draw. I feel like My brain is like trying to look at something and I can't figure it out. Here we go. So let me draw this out of curiosity. Apparently the MFFU emails were sent out, FYI. Man, if I didn't get one of those... Sorry. Didn't mean to get all worked up. Is there a way I can extend this to the right? No. So, honestly, looking at the 1 minute time frame, right? This candle is really big. And it makes our 50% a little bit different. So I'm just curious. I want to mark this out to see if... Oh, chat. I love putting lines on my chart and just... It's like magical. It's such a magical feeling. So this line that I drew right here, 50% of Powell gap. All right. Look at how the candles are respecting this 50%. So here's one, right? And here's the one from today. See this? See how it's... Okay, I'm leaving this line marked out for probably the rest of all time. Dude. Chat. If we dump down and tap this line right here, I'm just pressing the buy button. Holy cow, the way we keep ripping off that is talk, Anthony. We talk all the time. You can do this. The way we've been absolutely ripping after tapping the 50% of the Powell gap every time is absolutely insane. That's all I wanted to say. So I'm going to leave that on my chart for sure. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Any thoughts? I mean, does anybody else see this P15 right here and how far it went? Just saying. But yeah, if no one has anything to add, then that's going to do it. And I'll see y'all. Wait, what's on the schedule tomorrow? AM stream probably. Dude, why can't I find my schedule? No stream. AM stream 9:15 AM EST. Cool. So yeah, I will see y'all in the morning. Peace.